So what's going on YouTube? Today we're looking at the DJI Neo, and I'm super excited about this guy because it's kind of like a small Avata 2. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos about the DJI Neo and comparison as well, for example, for the Hover Air X1, because this is just a review video right now, we're going to do a comparison video and other test with this. You can ask me any questions as well so that I can make videos for it so you guys can see before you buy it. I also have merch at nerdhero.ca, so go ahead and check it out. So basically today we're going to do a few tests outside, out of my backyard, show you guys how well it does, the footage with it, with the 4K 30, and let's see how well it does.
Droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track, follow, droney. 2 meters. Drone. 3, 2, 1.
So as you could see there, you don't need any controllers. You don't need, you have to connect it to the app, but you don't need to use the app to fly this, which is really good. So for those of you who just wants hands-free drone, this is perfect for that.
Let's go. Or straight. Oh yeah. There you go. Don't hit the wall. Nice. That is hilarious. That's so good. It'll come back. Just hang down there. And there it is. Done.
Rocket. 4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah, it'll go up. There you go. Kind of windy right now. Pretty good. Yeah, it kind of does the whole circular thing as well. Nice.
Spotlight. Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
I'm not sure what a spotlight is. Let's see what it does. Oh, this is when it just... Oh, it hovers. But during spotlight, it'll hover, and then let's say you have a, you know, it'll just keep following it like that. So let's say it'll stay there. As you can see there, it doesn't follow me, but it'll follow, the camera will follow me around like so. Not bad. Just full sunlight on my face right now. Nice. And then I like this the most.
Direction track. 3, 2, 1.
The direction track is like, if I walk this way, it'll kind of follow me. There it is, see? Pretty cool, right? It's like a talking, it's like you're doing a vlog. There is the follow mode where
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
it's gonna follow you as you walk. You can run with it. Actually, not bad.
Testing the audio on the DJI Mic 2. You can use your phone as well. Basically, the Neo actually takes out the drone sound with this, which is really cool. You'll be able to just speak on the camera like so, and it'll take off the sound of the drone with it. So right now, again, this is the DJI Mic 2 connected to my phone right here, as you could see. You can use your phone mic as well. I just want to see if the DJI Mic 2 does a little bit better with it. Now, for those of you who are beginners, I would definitely recommend this to you guys just because if you've never touched a drone before, like a controller, it gets very daunting and it's very scary to use. But having this is a pretty cheap price as well at $200 US. Then you will be able to kind of get your hands into drone flying and get some drone footage as well. It's not as good as the Mini 4 Pro, but I would say for beginners, this is a great drone to have. I would definitely recommend this as well if you want a smaller Avata. The Avata 2 is quite big and it's louder as well. If you want a small drone that you can use to shoot inside the house, this is a better drone just because it's smaller. To show you a comparison, this is the V2 and this is using the DJI O3 transmitter right here with the camera. This is actually using the O4, which is the new transmission, which is really good. And the footage, I don't know if there's a whole lot of difference. I think you will need to mount something on the Neo if that's possible. I'm gonna have to try that out next time. You know, like a slim GoPro to get a better footage. To put the comparison side by side, this is the Pavo 25 V2 and this is the DJI Neo. And as you could see, it is smaller, right? And again, smaller the drone, the better it is indoors. So that's really good for that. The DJI Neo also doesn't need to be registered because it's underweight. It's actually super underweight that the battery, the whole thing is kind of light and you'll be able to carry this pretty much every day with you. It's not pocketable, and that's one thing that I don't like about it because the Hover Air X1 right here is pocketable because you can fold this, right? And it's very slim, as you could see there in comparison. This is a little bit taller, and it's not foldable. Therefore, you won't be able to put it in your pocket. I also only got the DJI Neo only. You can use the app to fly this, or you can use the new RC for it. If you buy the combo, then you get the RC with it, and you'll be able to use a controller to fly this. Now, if you have the brand new Avata 2, the Goggles 3 and the new motion controller will be able to fly this as well. So that's really good. I'm actually waiting so that I can use my Integra goggles and my older motion controller with it. Right now, it's only the Goggles 3 that is available for this guy. And thanks for watching, everyone. This is the DJI Neo. I will do more tests on this, so make sure to follow me, to subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos coming. Make sure to hit that like button as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below in the description. And if you have any questions, I'll see you in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.